Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to archive club posts in Strava. Strava doesn't currently offer a built-in feature to archive or hide individual posts within a club. However, here are a few workarounds and related options depending on your goals. So just follow me step by step to see how you can do that. So first, just launch your Strava app by tapping on it, and yeah, it will be directly forwarded into the home page. Alright, I just want to go into you in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And right here, I want you to go into your profile by tapping on your profile picture. I don't have one, so I just gonna tap on that one. I mean that alphabet. So right here, as you can see, I'm on my profile. I just need to scroll down, and I want you to scroll down too until you can see clubs right here. So I want to go into all clubs from here, and right here I want to look for the club that you want to archive. And as I told you, you can't archive it, so I have some other options. So for example, I'm going into that club. Alright, so you just need to tap on it, and after that, as you can see, we don't have the archive option. Even if we go through the gear icon on the top right corner, right here we don't have the archive option. So what I want you to do is just go into the notifications section, that one, and toggle on the off option. And after that, I want you to go into the posts in home feed and go into admin posts. And right here, I just want you to go into Strava community standard, and then you need to read all or the whole thing right here, so you don't get banned or something. And also, if you are tired of this club, you can go into report club, and right here you can report the club, and you will not get the notifications about or from this club that you just reported. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.